Fuck it, why not?
I got trouble.
I want him to go.
Alright, go. Oh, it might not be in neutral. That makes it a hell of a lot easier. It's hard to tell with that recluse. That's right.
With that recluse?
Yeah. Don't use the clutch. Just try it. Or you can if you want. Don't give it no gas. Or you just kick it through. You don't have to top dead center.
I'll try it when I'm away from your truck, bro.
Yeah. No, right now, let the clutch out. Don't give it gas. Don't give it any gas. Look. Now, just roll the throttle on. Huh?
Yeah, that might be worth the money at fucking Hell's Half Acre, yeah?
Yes, dude.
What's that? We broke her in.
Huh?
We broke her in.
Oh, you fell?
Yeah.
Alright?
Oh yeah.
That motherfucker get out. What are you on?
Oh, I just fucking